Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Plaid for linking bank accounts in mobile, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the mobile application that requires bank account linking. Navigate to the bank account linking section within the app. Look for the option to connect with Plaid and tap on it. You will be redirected to a new screen displaying various bank options. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find your bank. Tap on your bank's logo to select it. Once selected, you will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Input your username and password for your online banking account. If your bank utilizes two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After successful verification, the app will retrieve your bank account details. Review the accounts displayed to ensure they are the correct ones to link. Select the accounts you want to link to the application. Confirm your selection and proceed to the next step. The app will then establish a secure connection with your bank through Plaid. Once the connection is established, you will receive a confirmation message. Your bank account is now successfully linked to the app. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection and try again. You can also consult your bank's support for assistance if needed. Now you're ready to use the app with your linked bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.